Hey guys, Kuzo here, back with another video. In this video today, we're going to be doing a little vlog series, a little art vlog series. That is, since this is an art channel and I do art. And it's going to be a little vlog series while I do my 600 page sketchbook slam challenge. And yeah, it's been pretty crazy so far. And by the way, if the audio is a little different today, it's because I'm at my normal desk. Yes, this is the desk I normally work at when I'm not doing live streams. So yeah, got a fallen over Luffy up here. As is, my desk is pretty messy. Don't judge me. It is what it is. But we are actually on this page right here. We're doing this study from Kuzomari currently. But before that, I need some more coffee. So let's get that. And yes, don't judge me, I use instant coffee when I'm feeling lazy, and I use silk soy creamer, vanilla. Not lactose intolerant, just helps better with my carpal tunnel and swelling. Anyways, let's go. Looks decent, eh? Alrighty, got my coffee, got my marker, got my reference, and think it's about time to start. This is gonna be raw, and I'm just gonna sit you right up here on the claw right here. It was probably kind of blurry for you guys, but like I said, this is gonna be raw. We're just going through the art process and just gonna have fun with this vlog. I'm not gonna worry too much about like full on quality, but so far today, it is 1:13 my time in Mountain Daylight Time. I kind of want to focus while I'm drawing here. So I kind of want I want to get this old lady right. But I don't remember how many pages I've done today. We can go ahead and look at how many pages I've actually done today, and maybe a little bit here. Let me get a little bit more of this lady done, and then we can go look at how many pages I've done today so far. I think I may have distracted myself a little bit. Oopsies. Like I said before, this is a study from Kuzomari. Master, as he is. He is a master. As for how my day's been going, it has been pretty rough. As I've been having a hard time drawing today. Believe it or not, I think Sketchbook challenge is somewhat burning me out. Believe it or not. Yeah, I know, right? And I think there's a reason to that. I believe the reason for that being, I think actually has to do more with the fact that I'm not having too much change of pace. That's why I tried drawing with some pencil. Oh no, I lost my reference. I tried drawing with some pencil at some points because I wanted to change a pace. I haven't been, when I ink pages, you're going from sketch. There's a reason why when I do my manga pages, I sketch them out, then I ink them, then I sketch them, then I ink them based off my storyboard, because it's a change of pace. When you're doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, basically the change of pace really helps out the flow. So I have a feeling it's because I'm doing the same thing over and over again, but also I'm doing so many pages that I'm starting to run out of things to draw, and everything that I've been drawing, when I try to learn new things, it's all been kind of trying to merge together, you know, in my mind, because I've been trying to use this as a learning experience instead of drawing the same thing over and over again, which maybe I should do with some of the stuff here. I've been trying to learn new things, and my mind's been taking in so much information that I think my mind is getting a little burnt out from all this new information, essentially. So that is my theory on this. Hopefully that wasn't too boring. All right, so I'm gonna get a couple more lines here, and then we're gonna go and look at how many pages I actually have done today. All right, so let's go ahead. This is where I started way earlier today, in the wee hours of the morning. Actually, this is technically before I went to bed. This is at 3 in the morning. So page 170, so I can actually do the math. 170, 70. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're on page 9. I was like, I can do the math, and I was just like, count them because we can look through them. You didn't get to see too much of the pages because of the angle we're at, but yeah. I might want to go ahead and, while I'm doing this, I will speed the process of this up slightly, some of it, and I'll see you soon for another drawing real quick. All right, so there was the time lapse there when we finished it up. This is the grandma based on this reference right over here. Da-da-da. And I like how it came out. It wasn't as perfect as Kim Jung-gi's, obviously, because I'm not as good as him, but yeah, that was fun. So let's go ahead and do something else real quick. Throw this up here, and boom. All right, so this one is going to be, faster and a little less in depth, and we'll do it real time here for the end of the vlog. Like I said, I know this vlog is a little rough, but that's fine. I'm not trying to be perfect like other people's. So let's, or at least not right now. I kind of, if this is a series that I want to continue doing, if you guys really like it and it performs well, at least well enough to continue it, I will learn how to do it better as we go. And that's how I, built my whole first YouTube channel. That's how I do a little bit better with the videos. They weren't always as good as they are currently. All right, and like I said, I'm going to be going on a trip. For those of you who have been listening to my my live streams, I'm actually going to be going on a trip very soon here, and I wasn't going to bring my sketchbook. I was debating whether I should pause the competition and saying, or the challenge, and saying that technically I finish it because I have to go on this trip. But if I pause the challenge, technically I'm not doing it in 30 consecutive days, so it would be a technicality. But I decided that I think I'm going to go ahead and hustle really hard, and I think I'm going to bring this along with me. It is 9 pounds, so it going on a plane with me will be very interesting, to say the least. But I think when I get there, I might have more inspiration than I realize when going there, because I'm going to be going to a place I've never been to, and I might see some things that inspired me to draw some stuff, and who knows, maybe I'll pull out a little bit of a vlog series while I'm there and even edit them and put them up on this channel. I might go ahead and do that there, because that'd be kind of fun. because I would be filming an area that's not my area. So people won't be like, hey, I live down the street from there. I can go find Kuzo. You know what I'm saying? You creepers. No, I'm kidding. All right. So let's go ahead and give this a little inking. Let's do a purple ink. All right, we're 3 minutes in. We got this. There we go. I might need to go ahead and do more blank-faced character design sketches on here, and like do little character design for clothing and stuff on here. That could get a few pages out, because I've been focusing so much on anatomy that I've been losing some of the things that I could be learning with character design. And once again, see, and now I'm trying to add more stuff in. Kuzo, watch out. You're gonna burn yourself out if you don't watch it. But I feel like if I do more of that, I can do, I think character design would be really fun for like, see, I could do like super fast character designs where it just has a kind of a fun face, but try to do something a little bit more original, or just even, not even completely original, just something with the design, kind of push my designing a little bit, try out some new things and fast iterations. All right, so for the heck of it, let's go in with a different color for the hair. Ooh, I got it. Let's do a light blue. Yeah, let's do a light blue. I think that'll look kind of cool. Yeah. I just realized, how am I going to thumbnail this video? Typically I try to draw something in a specific way to thumbnail the video, but I guess I could try to make an original vlog thumbnail during my rest time. And yes, as you guys know, since you're watching it on this channel, I'm doing this on my Kuzo channel because I do not want to clutter my Kuzomari channel with a bunch of content, random content. It's already been cluttered enough as is and as it stands, so I'm going to try to hone in on specific things for that channel. By the way, I'm going to try to hone in on specific things for that channel and specific things for this channel. And I'm going to try to actually start tightening up some things with the channels so we can get growing again and expanding our community. Why not? Who doesn't want a bigger community? Not too big, because I mean, I want to be able to still hear you guys. But at the same time, when you really look at a lot of the art communities, I don't really feel like there's one specific art community that's so big that the creator can't hear individual voices. Some people might point at like Ethan Becker or Ross Draws, but even them, like when you look at Ross Draws videos, when he started dying down a little bit on YouTube, not dying, but you know what I mean, it's slowing down a little bit on YouTube. He now gets like what, maybe 100,000 a video sometimes, maybe 50,000, 40,000, and that's a manageable amount, especially if you have a second channel like this one for me. For the more hardcore followers, more hardcore fans of your work and admirers of your work, so you can have a closer engagement with them with a channel like this. So most art communities don't get too cluttered if you know how to manage it properly. All right, well, that was fun. Got this guy. The hair's a little funky and the smile's a little funky, but we did it quick. It was fun. In any case, hopefully you guys liked the vlog. Really look forward to actually putting this up for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, vlog, stream, wherever you see me. Peace.